Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. Now as you can see, your girl is extra bright, you know, shining like a diamond, okay? But anyways, I have partnered with Pretty Little Thing and I want to show you dolls my take on the neon trend that is oh so popping right now. So if you want to see how it is you can pull it off, and if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned.
Okay, Diva Dolls, so I am trying something new today with a Pretty Little Thing try on haul, and I am so excited to share. So this particular top is bright neon, and I really do adore it. The color is so bright, it's really hard to pick up on the screen. Also, when it comes to this particular item, it is oversized, so it gives you that boxy look, but it's attractive. So you can actually wear this top several different ways. I just wanted to share with you a couple of the bottom options. Now these skirts came in a 3-pack. So as you can see, I am modeling this skirt in 3 different colors, which I thought was very cool. So with these particular skirts, everything does fit pretty snug and very short because they are minis. The enjoyed my video with ASMR, let me know if you did. Maybe I'll do more videos like this. Tell me which colors do you like the best, and tell me, have you tried the neon trend yet? Again, this is a new kind of video. I need to know, is this ASMR? I think that's what this is. But again, I hope you dolls enjoyed.
Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. I really do enjoy shopping at Pretty Little Thing. I know I do a lot of reviews, and I hope you dolls find them helpful. In fact, if you do, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below which look was your favorite. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and put all the links to everything I picked up, as well as the sizes I got them in. And of course, I'm going to find you a coupon code. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, stop what you're doing and go ahead and do that. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Now, while you're following me there, be sure to double check you're subscribed to this channel, because I am on my way to 100K and your girl is super excited. I appreciate each and every one of you diva dolls. If you don't follow me as well on my vlog and my fitness channel, please subscribe there too, and I'll put everything down below in the box. Again, I cannot complain with Pretty Little Thing. I absolutely recommend them, and if you shopped their site before, let me know what you think. I haven't had any issues with their shipping. Shipping takes like a week or so. It really depends on the shipping you choose at checkout. So you can kind of speed it up, or if you don't mind waiting, there's even ways to track it. So all in all, I think it's a great company. The sizes are pretty on point. So sometimes y'all seen me in the past get something that's too big because I'm used to having a size up. For the most part, if you order from their plus size section, you will get your item true to size. Now, still, it can happen where the fabric may be different and it may fit a little small, but I would still side on getting your true size, or maybe even sizing down if there's any kind of stretch to it. So really, dolls, I hope you again love this video. I want to thank you so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.